Last year, we were supposed to do these floating shelves to finish the bedroom, not the bedroom, the office for my wife. We never did that. This box has been sitting for months. These are the brackets from Sheppard's Brackets. They just looked like the best ones at the time. Holy crap, the tape. Why? I went the cheapest way possible. So what do we actually order? We did, it's 3 shelves, 3/4 inch brackets, or back plates, what you call them. They're $28 a piece, so $84 for the 3 actual brackets. So we're gonna have to recess these into the back. This all should be fine. I mean, yeah, that's sturdy enough. Not very deep into the wood, but that's fine. So we got 3 of these. And again, I tried to go the cheapest way possible. We got their 9/16 auger bit. Hopefully that's the right size. I'm assuming it's the right size. That looks correct. And okay, I was about to say, doesn't even fit. That all looks correct. I'm pretty confident we can either build a jig or just line this up and we'll be just fine. But that's what we're gonna do. 3 floating shelves, all the same. New plan. We messed up. All the rough cut lumber I thought was leftover ash from when we did desk build is actually poplar. So, 100 board feet of poplar, and we have this left over in ash. 2 shelves is what she wanted. She doesn't know that. She changed her mind. That's gone now. All right, 2 shelves. Jeez. Oh, I hate making, I just wanted to share, like, epic screw up. We've been sitting on this stack of lumber for months, and I thought it was the correct one, but it's not. So now that I just dug through all that lumber, we're gonna do 26-inch, 27-inch long shelves. Let's go with 8 inches, 5. That should give us plenty of overhang. So we'll just rip one down the center. We'll make 2 shelves. We'll make the third one later. It's really not a big deal, I don't think. A better way to do this, if I had all the material, would be cut this at length and then fold it on itself, and it would continue very close to the same grain pattern. So you would just cut this down the middle and then essentially fold this back onto itself and glue on this line. That would give you a much better continuous grain. But we're already short of material, so that's not happening. Next part, I'm telling you right now, you don't need to do what I'm about to do, because we're gonna use everybody's least favorite tool. 1, 2, 3, 4 unnecessary dominoes. Come at me, bro. Do what I want. I know these 16-inch brackets are designed to be on a shorter shelf, definitely not a 28-inch shelf, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna use the piece directly to level it off. I don't see why we should make it complicated. I know what my distance is here. I know I need this to be 1/4 of an inch. These recessed nicely. I'm thinking with the screw head, obviously these are gonna go this way. I'm thinking with the screw head, it's gonna protrude out a little bit. So I'll probably just come in afterwards and take a drill bit and just drill out where the screw heads are. I mean, that thing just grabs and goes. What I didn't like is I could feel this moving, so not ideal. And then there was sanding. Ow. What happens when you let Rubio sit? Hardener looks good. It was just the top. Wow, cool. How did we not get any on us? All right, this is one of the beauties of Rubio Monocoat. If this was anything else, a desk, a table, whatever, I would do this multiple coats. I would actually come back with a red or maroon Scotch-Brite pad, take it with the Makita sander, get that off, and then apply another coat. But these are floating shelves. Like, don't make this too much. Like, this whole thing is less than 20 minutes. Like, we wiped on, we're gonna wipe off, same rags, get it dry to the surface, let it sit, and we're done. Like, finish, perfect. If for some reason, this is why I like Rubio, we were to nick, scratch, dent, whatever, need to apply another coat, we don't have to sand and remove all the stain. Like, that's why I don't like staining. So we don't have to sand, remove all the stain. We just apply another wax coat and we're pretty good. I don't like, this is ash. I don't like the yellowing. I think if I tried the natural, Rubio Monocoat natural, that would that would solve the yellowing color. But because this is what we did the desktop in last year when we built it, I wanted to keep the exact same tone. So because the desktop we did was this color, this amber yellowish color, we'll just keep it the exact same.
Are they safe to put stuff on?
Yes.
Are
I
you
don't.
sure?
No. I don't want to hear it. Don't sass me.
You know you can see the screws poking out the bottom, right?
Good. Good.
I feel like they're gonna fall.
Stop it.
Is it?
They're not gonna stop it. They're not gonna fall.